Hi, this is Michelle McLeod, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up a new consultant. It only takes a few minutes of your time and their time, so the quickest way is actually just to send them to your website, okay? So let me show you that real quick. I'm going to show you my screen. Okay, so we're on my website, so I could just send somebody that link and they could sign up themselves and walk them through it. So once they get to your website, you want to direct them to the bottom, go all the way down, and it says join the team, earn 45% right here. So click on join now. And right here is where your prospect gets to look at all the starter kits. And she can look at them in a nutshell and decide which one she wants. So down here where it says starter kits, click on learn more. And that will bring up a page that shows you exactly what's in each starter kit, okay? So let me elaborate a little bit on the starter kits. The $99 is a preview pack. It's not enough for a party. It's only 35 pieces. That retails at $175, and that's 35 of the top selling pieces right now, okay? So if you are going to do a party, you would have to order additional pieces. This is a nice package too for people that are selling them like in salons or consignment, and you just want certain pieces like bracelets or just necklaces, okay? So you can customize your kit. The $299 is also a really nice kit, 120 pieces, that retails at $600. And then the $499, that's 200 pieces, it retails at $1,000, plus it has a free ticket to the Las Vegas convention. And that's here in Las Vegas, July 31st, August 1st, and 2nd of this year. Those 3 days, it's not a boring convention. It's a lot of fun. And that one you get a free ticket with. It's right now that ticket's selling to the consultants for $190. You get that free inside this kit. The $499 kit only has the free ticket, okay? So I just wanted to mention that. Make sure your prospects know that. And also down here at the bottom of the page, they got to make sure they have the correct sponsor that they're signing up with. You want to make sure they have your picture in there, and they can use that sponsor above. They just click on that. Then they pick their package, and then they're ready to sign up. They're on this page, and they just start putting their information on, okay? And you're going to get a couple pages down. I can't keep going unless I put information in there. But one of them says the payout information, and that's just your bank information if you want to go on direct deposit. That's something you could do later. You do not have to put in your bank information while you're signing up. That's if you want a direct deposit check on your website sales and team commissions down the road. You can add that anytime, okay? So that's where they sign up online. It only takes a few minutes. Now, there's another way to sign up. Let me go back to the other screen. Okay, let me show you this. Every consultant gets in her starter kit this form. It's an agreement form for new consultants. If you are at a party or an event somewhere where you don't have a good internet connection, because you can put them in right on your phone. You could sign up right on your phone on the Paparazzi app. If it's not available, pull one of these out. She could still sign up, and then you go home and input her in your back office, and I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? Go back to sharing my screen. Okay, and so I'm going to log in. You would log in as a consultant, and you're going to go to your back office, and then I'm going to go to organization, okay? And see at the top left over here, enroll new consultant. That's where you would put them in. Now, you don't give out your consultant ID. This is only for you. If it's your prospect signing up, they just go to your website like I showed you. Or if you want to put them in yourself, okay? So you would take your sheet that I showed you with all their information, and you just input it yourself right here, okay? That's in your back office. And once again, the bonus account information here, it says payout method. That you could totally ignore till later, and I could show you how to update that later. And check out right here, replicated site URL. Right there, they could name their website. This is so cool. Your website works with your consultant ID number or your custom made name, as long as it's not taken. That's where you put it in right there. See, replicated site. So that's so cool. Help them pick out their website name too. And down below here, again, is another snapshot of what's in all the starter kits. Okay? So those are the ways you could sign up a new consultant. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day and bling on.